Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy instant snack recipe. It's healthy ghee rai balls. It's very easy. It can be prepared in 5 minutes. For that I have taken in a mixer jar 1 cup of roasted gram, 1/4 cup of rice flour, for spiciness 3 to 4 chilies, red chilies, fennel 1 spoon, ginger garlic paste 1 spoon, salt that is required for the mixture. Now here we are going to just grind all these ingredients into a smooth powder. Once after grinding it, see, the texture of the powder should be very smooth as it is. Now we can transfer the powder to another bowl. Here I am going to add onion finely chopped 2. I have taken greens. You can take any spinach of your choice, 1 cup. I am going to mix all these ingredients well with a mixture. Add some water gradually and knead the dough. Then dough should be firm, not very watery. This snacks is very healthy for kids, and the kids who are always hesitant in having the greens have this snack very easily, as it is very crispy and tasty. If you see now, I have kneaded the dough into a firm one. The pan is in medium flame. I have taken medium sized balls out of the dough, and I am going to add each balls into the medium hot flame oil. This is indeed very easy to prepare, and it can be prepared in no matter of time. All you need is just a spinach and a roasted gram. All the other things are always available in home. Cook these snack till it is golden fried. As we have added rice flour to it, the texture of this healthy balls are very crispy. Roasted gram is very rich in fiber and calcium. Spinach has its own iron and potassium properties. And if you see now, these ghee rai balls are very well fried. The spinach balls are very well fried. And it's an apt dish for the kids to be offered during the evening time once they reach home after school. And with one surprising thing is that these balls do not drink much oil. You can always serve it hot. Look at the texture of the ball. I hope you love this recipe, and if there is anything you want to share with me regarding this recipe, you can switch over our channel in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Please press the bell icon which is below for my future videos. Stay connected, keep watching. Thank you.